Clearly having solar reduces our energy costs. But then, it's that component of being a good social citizen for the world. My name's Stephen Fish. I'm the CFO for Darrell Lea. I think people who live in Australia will know the name Darrell Lea because most people got brought up with their candies and their chocolates. We are a 7-day, 24-hour manufacturing process, so we wanted something that could really offset a large part of our energy usage.
Obviously, they're a 24/7 site, so we really had to make sure that there was a lot of planning and prep around the shutdown period, because for a system that size, it's quite a long time. We realised that we couldn't fit panels everywhere on the roof, but Darrell Lea was okay with that. They're strongly tailored towards being safe rather than generating as much power as possible on the roof. So we did a redesign. It's a smaller system than what we could have put on the roof, but it's also a safe system for all the workers inside the building.
Right now it's performing marginally better than what we thought it was going to do all the way back at the outset of the project.
We always say that we're not a set and forget business, so I'm really proud of this. We went and sat down with Stephen and took him through the solar analytics platform. We took him through how the monitoring and how the O&M post-install is going to take place, and it basically took him through the performance of the system in the first month.
It's not a case of we've installed the system, we are now out of here, you're never going to hear from us again. Look, it's a continuing relationship. We value that continuing relationship.
Look, it's a special relationship that we've built across this journey. The critical moments throughout the journey were fantastic. We had a lot of fun as well. There was a lot of excitement about the system.
It's not a case of a customer and a supplier. It's a partnership. We don't see this as a one and done. We believe we're in this for the long haul, both on this system and on any future systems that we might look to do in the future.